Hello again, it's Lock Noob, and here we have two Abus Diskus locks, but they are not technically the same, albeit I can't tell what the difference is, if there actually is one, other than the number is designated 2870 on this one, and this is a 2370. That's it. I can't tell any difference at all. Same text, same font, same shackle size, same weight, everything's the same drainage hole positions. I don't get it. Same keyways, they even take, clearly not the same key, they're different bittings. This one doesn't work in that lock, for example, but it will work in this, but it does fit in. They're both 5-pin locks as well, so just pop that one in. Yeah, opens up nicely. They're both very smooth, they both have spool pins in. The only curiosity that I can see, the only difference is the security rating. Look at this, the 23 says it's a 7 out of 10, and this says it's an 8 out of 10. But as I said, I literally cannot tell the difference. I have no idea why their names are different. I can't tell any difference. There's not much difference in the picking, albeit the bittings are different, so they do pick differently in that regard, but not in terms of like spool pins or anything like that. If you know why these are two different models, despite having exactly the same keyways, key shapes and everything like that, if you can tell me, if anybody knows what's going on here, why they've got different security markings, I would love to know, because I have no idea. Right, enough of that though, let's go and pick these. I think we'll start with the 2870, the 8 out of 10 security one, and we'll go to this one shortly thereafter. So we are going to start with the higher security one. For whatever reason it's decided it's a high security lock, and this is the key 5 pins, starting some very nice high cuts, going down to a very low, almost like a zero lift cut in pin position 3, then high and high for 4 and 5. So yeah, I've got a medium hook and a short hook here, so I guess we'll start out with the short hook and see what I can feel for. Give it some nice tension, top of the keyway. Actually, I could try bottom of the keyway picking with this medium hook to see if anything's binding to there. Gave me a nice click. Let's try 1. Don't know if 1's binding. No, I don't think so. 2, 3 now. A little click. 4, 4. And can I feel 5? I can feel 5. Just get under it. Okay. That feels good. Okay, so let's go back to 1. Nothing. 2. Oh, into a nice full set. That feels good. Short hook. See if I can get under 3. Under 3. There we go. I think we got that. Just test 2. Just test 1. Okay, so I think it's 4 and 5 at the back still. Just hit 5 and went into a bit of a deeper full set. So just working my way back through the lock. 1, 2. See, 2's giving us anything? No, I think I'll just 3, 4 here. And we're open. There we go. So some counter rotation along the way. The keyway is very tight, and I was guessing this pick sort of stuck as it was going up through the warding. Had to sort of twist it around the warding to get under those pins, but yeah, we're open. There we go. So I'll throw in the next lock. Okay, so now I've got the other one, the where is it? 7 out of 10 security rated, 2370 in the vise, and the key for that is this. So again, not bad bitting, very typically Abus, I'd say. So it's highs and then a low cut, then high cut, then low cut, then high cut. I'm probably going to try and do the same thing like last time, which is go in with the medium hook, sort of right at the bottom of the keyway. Just have a feel around. Nothing on 1. Anything on 2? Not really. 3, nothing. 4, little click. 5. I definitely got something binding on 5. Oh, into a false set, so maybe I did pick 5. Anything on 1 now? 1 feels like it's giving me cancer rotation. That's 1. Oh, nice, nice. 2. Cancer rotation on 2. Keep the tension on. Might try using the short hook actually. That's it, 2. Got it. And just hit 3 for a bit of a reset. So I'm on 3 again now. No, I think I need to go in with the deep hook on 3. Wasn't able to push up on it high enough. Let's try 1 first. 1, there we go. 2, 3, 4. Oh, 1, 2, 3 feels good. What about 5? 5, some cancer rotation, and oh, back into a full set. That's really good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so go back in with the short hook, see if there's anything at the front that I've missed. Anything on 1 feels good. Anything on 2? No. 3? Yes, and we're open. I don't know about you, but I felt that that's roughly the same. Might have been a minute in it, but I could not tell you the difference between these two locks at all. They have spool pins in, tricky but not insurmountable bitting, small keyways. Everything about them's the same. I have no idea what's going on, but they're fun locks, and I think they're sort of best of breed. If you want a discus lock like this with a standard keyway, I think whichever one of these you want to go for is probably your best bet. So yeah, I quite like these. Anyway, look, if you like this video, leave a like. If you have any comments, especially about what the differences between these two locks are, then please leave a comment down below. I do read them all and reply to as many as I can. If you haven't subscribed and want to see more content like this, smash that subscribe button. It really helps me out. Otherwise, stay safe, happy picking. I'll see you all next time.